Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Fidelity Investments app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your smartphone is connected to the internet. Go to the App Store if you have an iPhone. If you have an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Fidelity Investments. Once the search results appear, locate the official Fidelity Investments app. Check for the app icon featuring a green and white logo. Tap on the app to open its page. Next, click the Install button to download the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once installed, locate the app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the Fidelity Investments app icon to open it. If you're a new user, select Sign Up to create an account. For existing users, tap on Login to access your account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information if signing up. If logging in, input your username and password. You may be asked to verify your identity through additional authentication methods. Once logged in, take time to familiarize yourself with the app interface. Explore features like viewing account balances and making trades. Check settings to customize notifications and preferences. Now you're ready to utilize the Fidelity Investments app for your financial needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.